Hello guys, good afternoon. Yan na guys, pababa na kami dito guys. Ayan, nandito kami guys sa Cambodia. Ayan guys, yung playground nila. Ang ganda. Ayan. So may kinukuha siya. Anong kinukuha mo dyan? Ooh, the lips. Oh, kuha tayo ng flower. Let's go. I'll get flower for you. Huh? Here. Wow! So, yan yung dagat, guys. Ayan. So, ang ganda-ganda ng dagat. Gusto niyang mag-ano ng flowers. Oh, ito na. Here. B. This flowers for you. For you. You're welcome. I'll give you that flowers. Wow, ang ganda ngayon ng panahon, guys. Ayan. So, napakaganda. Napakalina. Wala siyang alon. Ayan, so maganda. Kaya lang guys, dito sa Cambodia, sobrang init talaga yung panahon. Grabe. Ayan, sobrang init. Ayan, so naglaro siya ng flowers. Mami is there. Mami is there. So naglaro siya ng flowers. There, oh, sit down. We sit down there. Sit down there. Wow. Is that flowers? Is that flower?